Hi everyone, welcome. In this tutorial I will be teaching you Ninja Cat. Ninja Cat actually a cat which tries to get as much as more points, catching the balls and bananas. It tries to catch the colorful ones, it tries to get away from the black ones. And in 20 seconds it tries to get more points. As you see, a lot of things all around. You just need to navigate your cat to the right and left using arrow keys. And we have also score, timer, and record. Record actually keeps the data of your score. If you get higher one, it always updates that. If you get less, it always keeps the previous one. Alright, I hope you will learn it and enjoy doing Ninja Cat. Alright, as the first step we will go to customs and we will make the cat look like he's a ninja cat. And to make this ninja cat, I will put a bandage over his forehead. I will select the line and make the stroke 12 and the color to red. All I need to just drag a line across his forehead. Alright, and I'll just do a tail like this, and it will look like it's around his head. And I go to select tool and select the same by holding shift. By the way, if you want to select the multiple elements or materials, whatever, you have to hold a shift, because I want to select the whole bandage. The bandage includes more than one selection. That's why I hold the shift and I selected them. And I will copy this and paste also in the next custom. I click paste. By the way, I can see if it's fine. If it's not fine, I will hold the shift and select this. So after you feel fine for the bandage, now it's time to change the background. I like to put blue sky. Okay, and make the cat size also to 50. And the next thing is going to be start coding. In this part, I will get the event, and when I press the flag, I want the all game start. By the way, I will make the size of the blocks a little bit bigger so you can see better. And the thing's gonna be forever. Okay, we will be checking the codes forever. And what are we going to check? We will say if I press to right, then it's going to key press. If I press the right, then it will move to the right. I can make it go right by changing X by 10. And in the same time, I want from the cat to go to show his position always to the right. Point and direction, alright. Point and direction to the right. And I will also make this next custom, okay, from the looks. So let's press the flag. When I press this, as you see, cat is walking to the right. If you want to make this more realistic, you can add here the delete section by using wait. I will tell him wait 0.2 seconds or 0.1 second. If you make this bigger, then your cat will go slowly. By the way, you're doing a game, it's a challenging game. You have to catch fruits as much as possible. I think that's better. And the next thing is going to be to make the cat go to left. I'll just click right here, duplicate this, and it will save a lot of time. You're just duplicating the same blocks here for another. You just need to switch the key option from right to left, and it has to go with -10, so it's gonna go to opposite direction. And by the way, you will point the cat also to the left. Let's play this one more time. So you're going right and you're going left. By the way, your cat is going upside down. You can just fix this from the direction by tapping this left and right. By the way, you have 3 direction options. One all rounded, which can do your cat upside down. Another one left and right, which will not let you do this upside down. Another one, the last one, is do not rotate. It will ever not rotate. So when we do this, as you see, our cat is doing well. All right. If you want, you can do this 0.05 to make the cat go a little bit more faster. I think it's much more better. So now our cat is ready. It's time to prepare the fruits that's coming from different points. To do that, I will go to choose a sprite, and let's say I will choose a banana and change the size of this to 40. All right, and all I need to just take an even, because as I press the flag, I want all the things start moving, and I go to control and forever. So forever it will keep moving, let's say 10 steps forward, and I will rotate this with 5 degrees. All right, and as it hits to the edges, I want him also to bounce. So let's do it. It's making a small circle. If you want him to make a big circle, you can decrease the degree number. So now the fruit is going all over the stage. And we can do the also number bigger. Let's make this 13. All right. Now next thing is going to be, if the fruit touches to the cat, it has to get disappeared. Like it will look like the cat has ate the fruit. And later on we will also assign a variable. Every time we eat the fruit, it's going to increase the points that we get. So we will see in the scoreboard. Now let's go to if condition. We're gonna get if condition. We will say if the bananas touches to, we will go to sensing. From the sensing we will find touching. If you touch to the cat, okay, we will say get lost. So we can do this only from hide options. So as the cat touches, no, as the banana touches to the cat, look what happens. We didn't see it anymore because as it touches to the cat, it got lost. It disappeared actually. And I want him to come back after like 5 seconds or 5 seconds. All right. And I go to looks and get the show. So for 5 seconds, it will be hide, and then it will show itself. Let me start this. So the banana is not coming. What is the wrong? So it's not coming back because the last status of the banana was hide. Okay. So every time as you press the flag, you need to call him back. So as I press the flag, I want to see the status of the bananas show, and it's gonna come here. Okay. So now it got lost. After 5 seconds, it will come back. As you see, you can see a blinking little bit. You might see the same thing here again, and then it will get lost immediately. The reason is when you make the banana hide, it stays in the same place 5 seconds and shows up. As it shows up, it touches again, and then the same thing happening over and over. To get rid of from that problem, we have to assign a new start point for the cat. I will say go to random position. Okay. Now let's see what's gonna happen as the banana got lost. So you see, the banana came up from different location. All right, now we will apply the same thing for other fruits, but before we do that, let's quickly assign a variable. I will go to variable and I'll say make a variable, and we will say score. And all I need to do is change the score as I touch to the cat. If the banana touches to the cat, it's gonna hide it and increase the point by 20. Okay, but not my variable, it has to increase the score. Let's start it over. By the way, I can navigate this. All right, I got 40 points now. I caught the banana 2 times. By the way, if you think that this delete section is annoying, you can also get rid of from this. Just we need to go to cat and we will just get it out from there. We will take it out from there. Now the cat gonna walk faster. Okay, so every time I catch the banana, it increases the point by 20.